Hi children, well today we are going to close our chapter called Applications of Trigonometry, but only 2 questions are left. They are also fantastic questions. I am sure you are trying these problems and practices all these problems at home, and let us have this problem and see how interesting it is. The angles of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters. Find the height of the tower from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. So there is some mistake in the confusion in the dialogue, so we may have to correct that. We will correct it later on. But what I understand from this is there is a tower here. Let me draw a tower for you. Alright, let me draw a tower for you. Now the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points you are observing. One is 4 meters away and other one is 9 meters away. So from here to here you should not write. From base of the tower it is 9 meters. Alright, 9 meters away. Alright. You are observing the top of the tower from this point and you are observing the top of the tower from this point. So the angles of elevation of these points which are away from the tower 4 meters and 9 meters, I am assuming as alpha beta, and he says those are complementary. Now what do you mean by complementary? Whenever sum of 2 angles is 90 degrees, you call the angles as complementary. So let me call AB as tower, let me call CD as 2 points. I will say let AB is equal to H be the height of tower. AB is equal to H be the height of the tower, and then BC is equal to 4 meters, BD is equal to 9 meters. Alright, this is how it is. BC is 4 and BD is equal to what? 9 meters. Next what? Angle ACB. What is angle ACB? Is equal to alpha. What is angle ADB? Angle ADB is equal to beta, and the interesting part is alpha plus beta is equal to 90 because they are complementary. These 2 angles are complementary. So alpha plus beta is equal to 90. Whenever alpha plus beta is equal to 90, alpha can be written as 90 minus beta. Now this I will use it somewhere later in the problem. Now what is the question asked? Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower, right? So this should be at the end. The question should be like the angles of elevation of top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Find the height of the tower. So some typographical errors. Find the height of the tower, right? I am sure you can correct this mistake in the textbook also. In the textbook also it is given in the similar manner. Please correct it. So find the height of the tower. So how do I proceed? I will take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what am I going to do? I am going to consider tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to opposite to alpha h by adjacent to alpha 4. So tan alpha is equal to h by 4. Now in triangle ABD, I will consider tan beta. What is tan beta? Opposite to beta. Opposite to beta is h by adjacent to beta. What is adjacent to beta? 9. Alright. Now how do I draw a relationship here? Now I will write alpha is equal to 90 minus beta. Here I will make a substitution. Tan of what is alpha is equal to 90 minus beta is equal to h by 4. Now what is tan of 90 minus beta? Tan of 90 minus beta is equal to cot beta. Right? You have a formula and that is equal to what? H by 4. Once again, cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. So it is 1 by tan beta is equal to h by 4. And already what is tan beta value? H by 9. So therefore, instead of tan beta, I will write 1 by h by 9 is equal to h by 4. Now this 9 will move up. 9 by h is equal to h by 4. Cross multiply h into h square is equal to 9 4s are 36. H is equal to square root of 36, which is equal to 6. Hence, the height of the tower is equal to 6 meters. So I am sure you have understood the question. You may copy the question again. I am dictating you. The angles of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the same direction line with it are complementary. Find the height of the tower, and therefore the height of the tower, make sure you write 6 meters. Alright, so meanwhile you can pause the video, give some time to yourself, understand, and I will go for the next question. So let us continue, and this is the last question. The angle of elevation of jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant speed of 1500 root 3 meters, constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. Means, sitting on the ground, you measuring the angle, you are able to judge accurately the speed of the jet plane. How beauty of this mathematics is, and that's why this is called as applications of trigonometry. Alright, so let us try to draw and understand this figure over here. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A. So there is a point A, and you are observing a plane. There is a plane here, this is a ground, and angle of elevation is how much? 60 degrees. The plane is constantly moving horizontally with the height of 1500 root 3 meters. Now the plane is here. Again, when I observe the plane, the angle of elevation has decreased to 30, isn't it? When the plane is going far, you look little bit bent downwards. Now the angle of elevation is what? 30 degrees. Earlier the angle of elevation was 60 degrees. So let me call this as A, B, C. Alright. This is D, this is E. Alright. And this AC is equal to 1500 root 3. DE is also 1500 root 3 because the plane is moving, or plane is going at a constant height. This height is not changing. That is something which is fixed. Alright. He is asking us to take root 3 is equal to 1.732. That we will use it. Now I will say in triangle ABC, tan 60. Alright. Now what is tan 60? Tan 60, see what I have to calculate, I have to basically calculate the horizontal distance. So let us call this distance as x, let us call this distance as a. This part is a and this part is what? X. I am interested to find x first of all. So tan 60 is equal to opposite to 60. What is opposite to 60 in triangle ABC? It is AC by adjacent to 60 is what? BC. Tan 60 value is what? Root 3. And what is AC value? 1500 root 3 by BC value is what? A. Root 3 cancel. A is equal to 1500 meters. You got the value of A. Now I will take in triangle DBE, in triangle DBE, tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite to 30. Opposite to 30 is DE by BE. What is tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. What is DE value? 1500 root 3 by, what is BE value? BE is nothing but A plus X. So let us cross multiply. You have A plus X is equal to 1500 root 3 into root 3. What is the value of A you got? 1500 plus X is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3. It is 1500 into 3. So 1500 plus X is equal to 4500. X is equal to 4500 minus 1500. So X is equal to 3000. Means the horizontal distance traveled by the plane from this point to this point is 3000 meters. Now we got the distance. What are we actually supposed to find? We are supposed to find the speed of the plane. So when we are dealing with speed, we all know speed is equal to distance by time. Now, in order to calculate the speed, this 3000 meter distance, how much time the plane took? Let us read the question again. The angle of elevation of jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. Oh, this was point A, alright. I'll say point B now, doesn't make a difference. Point B on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, means from here to here, the time taken was 15 seconds. We wanted time, that is 15 seconds. We wanted the distance traveled, 300 meters. So distance by time, it is 3000 meters. By time is how much? 15 seconds. 15 ones are, 2s are 30, 0, 0. So it is 200 meters per second is the speed of the aeroplane. Is it not interesting and very, very easy, children? you are sitting on the ground and you are finding the speed of the plane. That's what is all about applications of trigonometry. Do more and more questions and keep asking doubts, and in case you have my number, please share your doubts in our WhatsApp group or to my personal WhatsApp number, and I shall come out with the solution. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.